In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and copy a new Relevance API key and authorization token. An API key is a secure credential your apps use to talk to a service. In many dashboards, it's labeled as a secret key, and the authorization token shown alongside it is what you paste into your app's configuration. Because these are sensitive, treat them like a password, don't share them publicly, and don't commit them to source control. To begin, open your dashboard and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Integrations and API Keys and click it. The page may take a moment to load, especially if your organization has several integrations configured. That's normal. Just give it a second so all the options populate. Once the page is ready, locate and click Relevance API Keys. This takes you to the place where keys for this specific feature are created and managed. Here, you'll see a button to create a new secret key. Click Create New Secret Key to start the process. You'll be prompted to add a label. Type a clear, descriptive label so you'll recognize what this key is for later. For example, the name of the environment or the service that will use it. Avoid including any sensitive information in the label. It's just a friendly name to help you stay organized. After adding the label, click Generate API Key. The system will create your new key and display the authorization token. This token is the string your application will use to authenticate requests. Most dashboards provide a convenient copy control next to it. Use that control to copy the authorization token to your clipboard. If there's a one-time visibility notice, pay attention. You may not be able to view the full token again after leaving this page. Keep the token secure while you move it into the appropriate configuration for your application. If you suspect the token has been exposed at any point, plan to rotate it by generating a new one and removing the old one from use. And that's it. You clicked Integrations and API Keys, waited for the page to load, opened Relevance API Keys, created a new secret key, gave it a helpful label, generated the API key, and copied the authorization token. Follow these steps anytime you need a fresh credential for a new